Hallo almal, hallo everyone. Welkom by vandag se graad 1 Afrikaans les. Welcome to today's Afrikaans lesson for grade 1. Vandag gaan ons sigwoorde oefen. Today we are going to practice our sight words. Ons gaan die woorde lees, sê en herken. We are going to read, say and recognize the words. Kom ons leer saam. Let's learn together. Is jy opgewonde? Are you excited? Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's begin. Kyk nou mooi na hierdie woord. Look carefully at this word. Die woord is vir. This word is vir. Vir beteken for in Engels. Vir means for in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Vir. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Hierdie woord is kom. This word is kom. Kom beteken come in Engels. Kom means come in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Kom. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Kom ons kyk na die volgende een. Let's have a look at the next one. Hierdie woord is kyk. This word is kyk. Kyk beteken look in Engels. Kyk means look in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Kyk. Die woord is die woord sit. This is the word sit. Sit beteken sit in Engels. Sit means sit in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Sit. Pragtig maatjies, baie mooi. Well done boys and girls, beautiful work. Hierdie is die woord eet. This is the word eat. Eat beteken eat in Engels. Eat means eat in English. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Eat. Pragtig maatjies, baie mooi. Kom ons kyk nou na 'n paar verskillende sinne wat van hierdie woorde in het. Let's have a look at a couple of different sentences that use these words in them. Kom ons begin. Let's begin. Kom sit by my. Again. Kom sit by my. This means come sit next to me. Ek kyk na die fliek. Ek kyk na die fliek. This means I am watching the movie. Kom ons kyk na die laaste sin. Let's have a look at the last sentence. Ek eet lekker kos vir middagete. Again. Ek eet lekker kos vir middagete. That means I eat delicious food for lunch. Sjoe maatjies, ek is so trots op elkeen van julle. Wow boys and girls, I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Julle werk so hard. You're working so hard. Well done. Ons het nou na 'n paar verskillende sigwoorde gekyk. Ons het geleer hoe om hulle te lees, sê en herken. Ons het ook geleer wat hulle beteken in Engels. We have just looked at a few different sight words. We learned how to read, say, and recognize the words. We also learned what they meant or what they mean in English. Luister gou mooi. Vir, kom, kyk, sit, eet. Again. Vir, kom, kyk, sit, eet. Okay maatjies, ek gaan die woordjies nou stadiger sê, sodat jy die woord na my kan sê. Okay boys and girls, I'm now going to repeat the words slowly, so that you can say the word after me. Luister mooi, listen carefully. Vir, kom, kyk, sit, eet. Baie mooi maatjies. Well done boys and girls. Tot volgende keer. Until next time. Dankie dat julle saam met my geleer het. Thank you for learning with me. Ek hoop julle het elke oomblik vreeslik baie geniet. I hope you enjoyed every moment. Totsiens maatjies. Goodbye boys and girls.